All right, guys, I'm going to real quick show you how to make a nice little graph in Google Sheets. So first thing we're going to do, let's say that you're trying to find the total weight of fruit and veggie waste and you want to compare it. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and take this section of information and I'm going to right click and copy, or you can do Control C. And then we're going to go ahead and add a new page down at the bottom, and we're just going to go ahead and type it. And we're going to Control V or paste, so you right click and you get paste, or you can hit Control V. And then we're just going to add a quick label. So this is the grade level. Type that in. And then this was our kindergarten, this was first, this was second, this was third, this was fourth, and this was fifth. And what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and highlight the whole thing here. And then we're going to insert chart. When you do that, it'll make this nice little chart for you. There's a few things you may want to fix. Our label's not very good. 8.2 versus K doesn't make any sense. So we're going to label this fruit and veggie waste in during one lunch. Chastity Elementary School. We want to have a very clear label. Notice that I capitalized all the keywords. I have students all the time that don't do that and it looks terrible. Please capitalize words in the title. This one over here is labeled 8.2. That's not really what this should be, so it's not letting me type over here. I can go over here to the, when I double click on it, it pulled it up over here. And I can change the title text and I can just say total weight in pounds, because that's what this is. This is the weight that was wasted, so 5 pounds, 10 pounds, 15 pounds. And then over here, the label's not, it's K, it's picking up this first one, and we really don't want to do it. So I double click on it, and again, I'm going to change it to grade level. So goes ahead and adds that in here. Now we can do some different stuff. If you double click on the chart, it'll pull up this thing over here, and we can customize different things. A couple quick things that might be helpful. For example, if you want to, I kind of want to get rid of this because I really don't need this over here. I already have everything labeled over here. I don't really need the legend. So if I double click on it, it'll pull up the legend, which is what this is. And it will allow me to click on the little bar over there, and I can just choose none. I don't want a legend. It'll go away. I'll make my graph a little bit bigger and all that kind of stuff. Another fun thing that you can do, you can go up to chart style. You could change it, make it 3D, just some fun stuff. But that's basically how you're going to make your chart. And then if you want to copy this chart into your slideshow, you could just right click on it. All right, actually, when you go to copy this, it turns out that it's not letting me copy it straight over to the presentation. So what we're going to do is take a screenshot. In order to do that, follow the link for how to take a screenshot on a Chromebook, and you'll basically just take a picture of this image that you've created, and then once you've created the image, then you'll be able to stick it into your presentation over here. All right, let's get started.